Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
To determine if your engine is misfiring, listen for irregular noises such as sputtering or popping. Observe your vehicle's performance. A misfire often results in a noticeable loss of power and a rough idle. Check the dashboard for the check engine light, as modern vehicles will trigger this light when detecting a misfire. If you encounter these signs, consider a professional checkup to diagnose and resolve the issue.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.